Hey everyone, I am back with another video. This time this is going to be a watch me transform an old wig of mine video and a bit of a chit chat video on how I'm doing and where I've been. And if you are new, welcome, and hit the subscribe button and bell to let you know when a new video is up, as well as the like button and share video so it can be shown around. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting my channel as well as my gaming channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is not going to be a full on how-to tutorial. I just wanted to do this because I had this idea after being inspired by a photo I saw on Instagram of a girl with a similar cut and hair texture. I should show a picture around the video, but I wanted to do that, as well as I wanted to get rid of some of the ends that were pretty much damaged somewhat. So I thought if I'm going to change this wig, I could do a quick video so I can have content for the channel. Now, I hope my subscribers are doing well out here on y'all journey. I know that it seems that I can go a while without making videos. Honestly, it's not that I don't want to make videos. I have a lot of ideas and so much talent to provide a lot of content. Sadly, one of the things I've been struggling with, like there's about maybe at least 3, is money issues for a bit. I think it's sad that I do try to find jobs or apply for jobs that would be good for experience and what I can do, but usually it's like a gamble for me. So my goal, honestly, my goal was to create my own way to provide my own income several ways so I can buy whatever I want, go wherever I want, and be in a better space spiritually, and to have generational wealth in the long run while minding my business and help the world be better in a good way. I never wanted someone else to be in control of my future, such as if I didn't do this, then I would suffer the consequences, or if I did not act a certain way, then you can't quote unquote sit with us. I think that's just awful, sad, and wicked. That can be really depressing, discouraging, and can make you struggle with your faith in yourself and if you believe in a higher power, you know? So it makes me contemplate at times, is my content good enough? Even though I do provide what I can with the tools I do have at the moment. I just feel like I should have had at least at least a bigger progress, or just more sponsors or more business contacting. I don't really get that much. I really be putting most of the videos that I try to do with my own money, and I think there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying, ain't like I'm saying just, how to explain it? It's like, there's some people who just get by not really putting things on their own or creating their own way. That's what I'm trying to say. So I would have, because honestly, if I did had the proper sponsors or the job that I could at least be able to get more things done to provide, I would have already had the rainbow hair series done and move on to more colors that I wanted to do and show you all and go from there. And there's a lot of other things that I can do that I would gladly love to show y'all. And I just feel like I'm just not willing to spend any more money on hair after dealing with the disrespect of a company, all because I'm being honest with my experience. On top of that, they didn't want to appreciate the talent I done with their hair, but because I don't have much of a following to their standards at the moment, they thought they can twist it in their way like it's my fault. So I'm gonna tell you like this. I may don't have a big following right now, but it doesn't make me stupid. While some people who do have a big following have ignorant views and are willing to be a puppet to sway people in a direction that can be detrimental to an everyday life. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it at this. I'm going to do, one way or the other, I know I got a lot for this channel that I can offer, as well as my gaming channel. I know it's just a journey for me, and I know it's gonna be I just had to believe that I'm gonna have everything and even more that I don't even realize that I got in the long run for my future. So I will be dropping a release / relatable talk about my public school experience, because I just want, like I said, I wanted to release and basically like give y'all understanding what I've been through and kind of trying to how to deal with it and how I manage, or how did I survive this long, you know? So I don't really care about what other people who had done me wrong feel, because at the end I had to deal with that. I had to survive in a place where I couldn't be accepted just because I was minding my business, breathing, you know, just living and just not being a certain way for them. So I want to be able to just talk more about my life, because it might can help somebody in the long run, or just be able to relate to one another. We have a connection with me and you. So yes. I'll just be like, okay, does it sound all right what I'm saying? So another thing that has been going on, I started back school, so my studies do be taking a lot out of me. So I do be a little bit more tired than usual, because I already be tired anyway because of just maybe stressing out and being, you know, having mental health problems of depression and stuff like that, stress and stuff like that. So that makes me even more tired, because I have to make sure my studies be on par, you know, keep my grade level up, you know, that kind of thing. So please bear with me. Overall, that is pretty much what has been going on with me. So money issues, thoughts, mental health, school. I just really hope that maybe that all that I went through in my entire life right now is just gonna have me have a happy, great future without much of a struggle, or without much of a like period of a drought. I want abundance. I want abundance. I want peace. I want love. I want happiness. I want things to just come to me easy without having to feel like it's so much work. And I want to be able to enjoy life now instead of having to enjoy life, you know, when I get something. So yeah. So now we just going to cruise on and just let the video play on without me talking anymore. If y'all like to discuss, and if y'all have, you know, like discuss, comment down below, you know, about what's going on with you, or if y'all feel the same way about certain things y'all going on with your life and y'all want to have better things, let me know too. So without further ado, let's continue on and we'll see the finished results. So this is the finished results, y'all. This is not my first rodeo with doing shortcuts, but y'all think it matched similar to the inspiration? Hit the like button just to let me know. Comment below. And again, thanks for watching, listening, and staying to the end of the video. Hope to see y'all soon. Take care.